Been a long time since I last caught an EAS alert. I'm going to catch a few today. So this radio right here is on channel 3 Freeport. This one here is on WXL 22 Princeton. And this one here is on WXL 64. So we're just going to sit on it. Here we go. They sent at different times, which is strange. Shut this one up.
Specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. This test is normally conducted by the National Weather Service Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 affecting parts of eastern Iowa, northwest and west central Illinois, southwest Wisconsin, and northeast Missouri. This concludes the weekly test of the weather radio warning.
Lot already sent it?
The temperature was 45 degrees.
Well.
City sunny and 54.
That was unusually fast.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service NOAA weather radio warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted Wednesdays between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the next available good weather day. The warning alarm tone will be activated for watches and warnings issued for counties within the listening area. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, which is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to regular programming.
No, seriously, Lot. What did you eat today, Lot? You sent it at 11:01. Like, seriously. Seriously, what did you eat today? Y'all were surprisingly fast. Hey! Fox is doing a weekly.
Plus, get an additional $1,000 Black Friday discount.
No sound effects. KLJB's doing a weekly. I'm watching the Michigan-Ohio State game and they're doing this.
Orthopedic sports medicine surgeon with a niche in
Holy cow!
The biggest satisfaction I get is when I can see a high school soccer player who has a devastating injury get back to return to play, or a total knee patient who we can allow them to get back to hiking with his spouse, or simply walking in the neighborhood without having pain anymore.
Morrison Community Hospital, your health partner for life.
There's the bar again. Disappeared and came back.
24/7 fast repair service.
I have never seen that.
They will play by our rules.
It's facing all of my worst fears too. I just felt like I wish they worked something.
I've never worked harder in my life. Take the pay!
Big Note Saturday is sponsored by AT&T 5G. Fast, reliable, secure. We start the...